In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mention teammates in Slack. Whether you're collaborating on a project or simply trying to get a colleague's attention, knowing how to properly tag someone is an essential part of effective communication within Slack. Let's go through it step by step to ensure you can make the most of this helpful feature. To get started, you'll need to open Slack. If you don't have the Slack application installed on your device, you can also access it through your web browser by typing in their URL and logging in from there. The process is the same regardless of the device you're using. Once you're on the Slack homepage, you'll need to log in. There's a versatile range of options for signing in, depending on which service you find most convenient. You can use your email or seamlessly sign in using your Google or Apple accounts. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, such as your password or access to your Google or Apple ID, to facilitate a smooth login process. Once you're logged in, you'll be presented with a list of workspaces on the left side of the Slack interface. Workspaces are essentially the overarching areas where all your channels and conversations are housed. Click on the specific workspace you want to work in. This workspace should contain the appropriate channels where your conversation needs to occur, whether it's for your department, project team, or another group. Moving on, after you've selected your workspace, you'll need to dive into a specific channel where you want to mention your colleague. Simply click on the chosen channel from the list on the left. Channels are designated areas meant for discussions about particular topics, projects, or ongoing work. They can be public, allowing anyone in your workspace to join, or private, limited only to invited members. Now that you're in the desired channel, you're ready to type out your message. But to mention a teammate, there's a specific trick. Begin typing your message in the designated field at the bottom of the screen. When you get to the point where you need to directly address someone or bring something to their attention, type the @ symbol followed by the first few characters of their name. Slack will automatically suggest matching team members, making it easy for you to find the person. Click on their name to insert it into your message. After you've finished composing your message and you're confident it's ready to go, it's time to send it. Review everything quickly to ensure you've tagged the correct person and that your message is clear and concise. When you're ready, simply hit the Send button or press Enter on your keyboard. Your message, along with the mention, will be sent to the channel, instantly notifying the specific team member. And there you have it. Mentioning teammates in Slack is that simple. By using these steps, you can ensure effective communication with your colleagues, making teamwork and collaboration even more streamlined. Happy Slacking!